This is funny. I just recorded a 19-minute video and I was on the wrong screen. So you didn't catch any of what I said. So I'm going to do it again and maybe I'll do it shorter this time. So we were talking about, um, marking levels and identifying areas where you could potentially buy trading futures, buy or sell. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about buying. All right. So say we marked this area down here as a level where we want to take a trade. And let me just put a horizontal line here to make it extra crispy. All right. So this is a 6-hour chart and we want to know, like, can we take a trade when it comes down to this level? So I was like, all right, well, would I do it? And I was thinking that it might be a little tricky because with futures, there's a lot of risk. So say you had your order here and you had your stop, let's say like down here below this candle, $3,500, dang, that's a lot of money. And with futures, most of us will be day trading because we don't have the margin to hold overnight. So, am I willing to, risk this kind of money for the price to take this trade from this level? And so I'm not, but what Ika, I hope I'm saying your name right, Ika, suggested was like, you can get in with a confirmation. Oh yeah, right. So let's look at this area. Let's go back here. Let's go here and do I still have, and let's go here and let's make this the money shot. All right, and let's give it a little bit of darkness so we can see it better. Okay, and now let's go down. I'm gonna just go to the 1 minute because it's just easier for me to see all the action. So say we were in here and one of the things some of us have been studying is the Fibonacci, right? So if you get your Fibonacci, we already know from this purple level that it's a strong level that we want to get in. So let's throw a Fibonacci on here from here. Whoopsie, oopsie, to here. All right. So that 786 is a zone that I've traded before. So, I'm willing to take that. So because we know about that purple zone, and we threw the fib on there. Let's say we're willing to take that trade. I'm willing to take that bet because we already saw that it came to this level, it left, it came back, and we always know that price doesn't go straight up, it's going to retrace. So okay, it came down here, it gave us another chance to get in. I have my buy order there. I know you can do demo trades in here, but I'm not going to go through all that right now. And say, however you figure out your risk management, you figure it out. But like for me, I'm like, I'm willing to risk $500, right? And let's say I want my take profit, I want a 2-to-1. And you can, use the same method to identify where you might want to get out. So we have this consolidation right here. So maybe you'll say, that's where I'm going to get out of my trade. So we see that we have our take profit up there, and it just so happens that price went up there and tagged us and took us out. So you made $1,000. So, I mean, what I would like us to do is to set some levels on our 6-hour chart, a high time frame chart, and give a shout out in the group when you if a level is hit, because let's see here, this is 12:30 in the morning. This is during the London session. So am I really up at that time? Are you up at that time? Are the alerts going to wake us up at that time? Here's this level here, 2 o'clock in the morning, where it came back down to visit. Who's up at that time? But let's see what time this is over here. 5 o'clock in the morning. Market is open right there. What if we had our fib from here to here? 6:39 in the morning. We see that it wasn't making lower lows. It was making higher lows, so there was a resistance for us to go down. So even if we took a trade here at the 702 at, after the New York market opens, and say we still only wanted to risk our $500, I mean, I'm with it. I'm with it. So let's practice with that. Like, speak up in the group. Like, if you're willing to play this game with me and try this out and take some trades and take with confirmation, because we know that futures will wreck you. Like, it's not something that you could do where you're like, okay, I'm just going to set it, forget it. Well, if you got deep pockets and you can hold overnight, you can. Okay. So let me not say that it can't be done, but like, let's even look right here. Say we identified that as a level, and our risk was still $500. Well, we're going to get stopped out. This drawdown on this level was a whole $1,900. Can you sit through that? Say you had your stop down here, $5,300. Can you sit through that? No. Like, who would want to? But on a lower time frame with confirmation, we could take the trade. Okay, so I'm with it. I'm with it. Let's go. But let's say we did get in here with confirmation, because this is on, we saw this hit on the 6-hour, right? And then we went to the 1 minute. So we saw with confirmation that we can get in there, and then we might have our take profit like right here. Well, first of all, you're not holding overnight. So you might have to just go to whatever your daily goal is, because on this day, or just keep on moving up your stop. Once you're in the trade and it starts going up, move your stop up. Oh, can't do that because I'm not in the trade. So maybe you would be like, okay, I'm going to get out right here. Let me see if it goes right here. And that's going to be my take profit. So, I mean, yeah, we risked $500 to make $5,100. I'm with that. Okay, so can you guys please, can we watch this together on the higher time frames instead of alerts, please? Thank you. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.